JLG Industries presents Familiarization of the ES1330L. Proper training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any classification of MEWP equipment. When authorized by the user, self-familiarization can be achieved by a properly trained operator reading, understanding, and following the manufacturer's operation and safety manual. The user shall ensure the operator is familiarized on the following. Make sure a copy of the Operation and Safety Manual, AEM Safety Manual, and ANSI Manual of Responsibilities is enclosed in the weather-resistant manual storage container located inside the platform. The ground controls are located on the right side of the machine at the base frame. They consist of a 3-position key switch that selects between 3 modes: off, platform mode, and ground mode. The platform lift and lower switch that controls raising and lowering the platform, the ground emergency stop switch that turns off power to function controls, the hour meter indicates the number of hours the machine has been operated, the platform overload indicator that illuminates when the platform is overloaded, the multifunctional digital indicator, if equipped. Reference Section 3 of your Operation and Safety Manual for an in-depth look at the MDI indicator or other machine controls. The platform controls are located on the right side of the machine's platform. They consist of an emergency stop switch, the lift drive selector switch, a button to sound the horn, forward, reverse, lift, lower, directional arrow. The drive, lift, steer joystick control controls the drive, lift, and steer functions. The trigger enable switch is located on the front of the joystick controller. It acts as a function enable switch and must be depressed before operating the drive, steer, and lift functions. Joystick functions such as drive and lift are proportionally controlled. As you push or pull the joystick controller from its neutral position, the function's speed increases. The steer switch is a thumb-operated switch. Depressing the switch to the left will steer left, and depressing the switch to the right will steer right. The platform manual descent is located at the rear of the machine, just below the platform ladder. Grasp the red T-handle and slowly pull out to lower the scissor arms using gravity in the event of total power failure. Reference Section 4 of your Operation and Safety Manual for emergency procedures and steps to be taken in case of an emergency situation during operation. Important points to remember during operation are provided at the control stations by danger, warning, caution, notice, and instruction placards. This information's express purpose is to alert personnel of potential hazards created by the operating characteristics and limitations of the machine. The capacity limitations of your machine are based on the following criteria. The machine is positioned on a smooth and firm surface within the limits of the maximum operating slope. The load is within the manufacturer's rated capacity, and all machine systems are functioning properly, which can be established with a pre-start inspection. Reference Section 3.3 of your Operation and Safety Manual for a look at these operating characteristics and limitations. Your machine may be equipped with fold-down rails to navigate through standard doorways. A step-by-step platform rails fold-down procedure can be referenced in Section 3.13 of your Operation and Safety Manual. It is not recommended that this machine be towed except in the event of an emergency, such as machine malfunction or total machine power failure. Before towing the machine, it is extremely important to reference the towing procedure outlined in Section 3.15 in your Operation and Safety Manual. The machine has built-in forklift pockets. Lift the machine only using these pockets, and only with the platform in the stowed position. The machine also has 2 lift lugs at the rear of the frame and 2 tie-down lift lugs at the front of the machine that are to be used when lifting the machine with a spreader bar and 4 equal length straps or chains capable of supporting the full gross weight of the machine. A list of various accessories and their corresponding markets can be found in Section 5 of your Operation and Safety Manual. If you require any further clarification on how to become familiarized on any JLG equipment, don't hesitate to contact JLG Product Safety and Reliability at 1-877-JLG-SAFE or check us out online at jlg.com. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.